Morning guys, this is Shantan from Motors to Motherboards. We are all packed and ready, had our breakfast, so we'll be on our way now. We were staying at Tenzing Norgay Vedanta homestay. It's a beautiful piece of property situated in Upper Sitang, Turuk village. Everyone say hi. Dada is the owner, and Amader Atithiyota, like the hospitality that he has shown us, is something different level altogether. I will leave the contact information in the description box down below, so that if you guys want to come here, you can directly contact Dada and have a great time here. Dada, thank you again. Next time when we come back, we hope to stay here again. The lineup is ready. So we are off. Today's itinerary is Tinchule and some other places. The road condition, as you can see right now, it's a lot of adventure to be had, a lot of lessons to be learned about yourself and your bike. Overcoming all that, we move on, as because in the mountains, when it rains, it's a totally different experience, and when in the winters, like sometime in the December or so, it's a completely different experience. Keeping all that in mind, we are moving. And that's because it has rained completely to the night. There are a lot of puddles of water which wasn't there when we were coming. So safety again is paramount. My visor is fogging up. The anti-fog is not of any use. So we'll just push ahead and well, we'll be fine, I suppose. Nothing much to worry about. The visibility is nice. Only concern is this puddles of water. A trick to drive the Ronin in these kind of conditions: use mostly the second gear, and when you are climbing, put it on the first. Like there are sharp 45-degree to 60-degree inclines where you have to take a U and climb along. For those, first gear is necessary. Rest, the Ronin can very well do its duty in the second and even in the third gear. And when there are broken roads, you can just saddle across. So Easy peasy lemon squeezy? Well, not exactly, but hey, it's an experience to be had. We need to overtake this car when we get the chance, like right now. No, I cannot keep the lid closed. It's fogging up very quick. And also, Mrigankoda, thank you. Your training the other day has been a lifesaver. The rest has caught up. So yeah, as I was saying, tip for mountain driving. Whenever in the corners, honk. You never know what might be coming from the other side. With that in mind, we'll move forward. The people are following directly behind, so that's all well and good. There were no major mishaps, just a small fall that was had the other day owing to a rogue rock, slippery. Ostov's rear wheel slipped, so I took a tumble. But all is well, all is good, and we can push through. Like, see, blind corner, we honk and we move. And also another tip, when moving down the mountains, always use engine braking. Like, you put your bike in the first gear and let the engine control the speed by itself. The revs will be quite high at times, engine will scream, but it is much safer than using your brakes all the time. That's because if you use your brakes all the time, what will happen? Your disc will get hot, and then you will face brake ghosting. So we'll just keep quiet a bit and let you enjoy this beautiful scenery. So we had to take a stop. It's because a few others took a wrong turn, ended up in a different direction. That's all good now. Everyone has caught up and we can resume our journey.
এই বড় গর্ত ছিল,
হ্যাঁ
আমি দাঁড়িয়ে উড়িয়ে দিয়েছি। সামনের চাকা লিটারালি উপরে ছিল।
হ্যাঁ
আরে এত পাওয়ার ভাই, 2 নম্বর গিয়ারে
না, আই থিঙ্ক আমাদেরকে এটা নিতে হবে। এটা আমি অ্যাকচুয়ালি বুঝতে পারছি না। লাইক এখানে 3টে ইন্টারসেকশনস হয়েছে।
এবার জিজ্ঞেস করো জায়গাটার নাম কি আমাদের প্রথমটা?
আমরা তো তিনচুলের দিকে যাবো, জিজ্ঞেস করো।
দাদা তিনচুলের দিকে যাবো, তিনচুলে এই রাস্তা।
হুম চল, ঠিকই নিচে
চলো। ওইখানে এটা সেট করা ছিল।
হ্যাঁ ফার্স্টে অ্যাডেলফাই তোমার আছে, তোমার এটাতেই। হ্যাঁ তাহলে চলো, তাহলে ঠিক আছে, চলো এটা। গাড়ি আছে,
গাড়িটা চলে যাক, দাঁড়া।
হ্যাঁ